Menu list.
Of course.
I would like to fried rice and iced tea.
Okay, would you like anything else?
No, that's all.
Please be careful enjoy your meal.
Thank you. Excuse me. Can I have the bill, please? Here is the money.
Sure, that is your bill.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Have a nice day.